sing my songs. Follow me, and judge make your rain just follow me. That you know the body sky.
Gone for the gold, gun in the hand, cause the feet for the fall. Money in the air, I'ma call a helicopter, chopping up the cars.
Look like it don't work. Me not try this won't work. Not try this won't work.
See fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a loss. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the.
Miss me attack a dash with the sun and left your mama in a trauma. Capture land them your foot piranha. R.I.P. Daddy badness.
I'm a killer, feel no remorse. Rich long time, caught $1 million off a course. Kingston in the rip top, 100 in the ziplock. Heard he can't go back to.
Picture now your pussy coming like a paradise. Picture me a fuck you right, cocky I come take a ride. Love it when you come round, make the killer smart.
No matter all I do, some dreams are falling, riding.
I'm Dixie, I'm rich already and me I want pitney. Some other youth just a yap like Dixby. And me say 6 like we come in a Dixie.
Fully. No take chat, no take no this, no take no bullet. Only if a gunshot, you will get fi step to it. No have no time fi box, no boy talk to me Uzi. Extension clip fully, after we send bullet.
Meditation corner. Listen to this. Don't afraid to fail in this world that's full of failures. You have nothing to lose. You hear me say? Don't afraid to fail in a world that's full of failures. You have nothing to lose. No matter you see a man present in life or good it is, he have something that he must fail at. But the difference between him and you is that him don't make him fail as them defeat him. Him continue push on, but you did a procrastinator, so you don't want to fail. So you hold on for the liquor you have, and when you don't reach, you complain. Listen, human beings are one of the biggest destruction to the Almighty, the Creator. God create we, and the whole of we down here diss him and fail him. But what God do? God did stop creation. Baby not born every day same way. Baby born every day same way. God still make creation continue. Because what? Him not take him here for the journey. You understand? Him not take him here for the journey. God could have stopped creation and stop human being and stop the human race. No. Him still make baby born same way. You understand? So don't afraid to fail in this world that's full of failures. Just continue the way you have to do. Stop talking about a man that this and a man that. Everybody will win if you lose something. Everybody will win if you lose something. Saying, if all of me youth them go prep school and me pay them school fee, and music me do me have to go Europe, me can't do Europe and carry me youth go to school at the same time. So yes, me make the money game, but me feel as a father for carry him go to school. Everybody have feel at something. So you have to just know that your journey is different. Then, so don't afraid to feel in this world that's full of failures. Just continue the way you have to do. Blessed love.
To the test, here's how it works. Each host has a secret item in their bag. When this item is revealed, you will have to come up with a verse which includes the mystery item. We'll start with Danique. You ready? All right, Danique, what's in your bag?
Hi, Ninja.
How are that?
It's a teddy bear.
Call me darling, give her one teddy bear. Then me go out and drink a red stripe beer. And if you disrespect, I said, get out of here.
Wicked. All right, Gianna, the next item, please.
I have a razor.
Okay. Sharp like a knife, baby figure cut. Take me razor and bust out your head cap. So then get to know so that me well serious. If you is a barber, don't ease it up. Grab it here from me face, me have to shave it up. Get me razor and then me just clean that up smooth like a baby bottom. So they say me squeeze up.
Mad.
Very good.
Ready for my ninja?
Listen me. Man a no robber, man a no thief. Move piano now with your tin a bully beef.
Hey.
Them they same thing bad man nah heat. Man a no robber, man a no thief. Me a no Indian, me a no chief. Give me oxtail, don't give me bully beef.
Me and my crew talk about this every time, fam. Yo, the man do a thing, brother. We make me respect him for life, fam. When we going at the club, there was a table there, and the man found and take up all of the cup them off of the table, brother. Himself. Me I look on him and I say, yo, this is a youth like myself. Him remind me of myself because that is someone more than to see me, you see me?
Hospitality, manners.
Yeah, so that alone, me just rate him. I not even know that. I never ever said that to him either. That me say is a genuine youth, you see me? Yeah. And improve that.
Don't be afraid to speak to people, because that's one of the problems with the African American and the Afro-Caribbean community. Because it's taboo. Yeah, we feel like we gotta be strong all the time. No! You can be vulnerable, bro. You can talk to your mother. You can talk to your girlfriend. But then why do you love her, bro?
Right.
Why do you love her and spend money on her and put her in your fucking house, but you're afraid to talk to your woman, bro?
It's real.
You know what I mean?
Taking a shot to that.
Yeah, bro. Black people take fucking certain illnesses as taboo.
Right.
We're afraid to talk about it because we were raised to be tough. Oh, you're a strong black woman. Why can't you be a feminine black woman?
Right.
And talk to your man? Talk to your friend. Why you have to be a G like all the time? I can't talk to FN? I'll be like, FN, my dick isn't working properly.
No.
No.
Hold on. Hear me out. Hear me out. No, I'm Jamaican. Hear me out.
This is serious. This is serious. I'm not 29, I'm 49.
Right.
Why can't I come to you if you're my brethren? Why can't I come to you like, bro, I'm having problems with my wife?
Right.
Because we have issues surrounding sex. I can only pop off once per night. Why can't I talk to you about
real shit.
And you make me feel comfortable talking about it. Which is what AAA is, AAA's, right? Hi, I'm Vibes Cartel. I'm an alcoholic. Or I'm Vibes Cartel, I'm a whatever.
Right.
Once black people get, especially us as black people, based on our historical trauma, we're supposed to be able to speak to one another, bro. Come on, man. We only live once, bro. We as black people, we need to be able to speak to each other.
You're right.
Because anyone in Jamaica can tell you, before prison, I was a fucking devil. But growth, maturity taught me a lot of things. We need each other. That's why they make these groups and these AA and group therapy is good. Because you're going through something that I'm going through. So you have questions and I have questions. Maybe you have the answer for some questions. Oh, why did she cheat on me? I did everything right. You can maybe impart some knowledge onto why, because you've been there before me.
Right.
So you figured it out before. Bro, we living, man. 100 years